How to fix M&S app not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix the Marks and Spencer mobile app not working. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Open App Store on your device. Tap search icon in bottom right corner. Search for Marks and Spencer. If you see an update button next to the app, simply tap on it to ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Now go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find Marks and Spencer in the list and tap on it. Tap on Offload App and confirm by tapping Offload App again. Once the process is complete, a Reinstall button will appear. Tap on it to reinstall the app. If previous step didn't resolve the issue, try completely reinstalling the app. Tap and hold the Mark and Spencer app icon and delete it, and again reinstall the app. Hopefully, the issue will be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.